Hey there, today we're cracking open 10 explosive psychological truths about women that'll rewire how you see attraction. Brace yourself, 95 of guys are blind to these and it's why they keep striking out. But you? You're about to join the top 5% who actually get it. Ladies, stick around, this isn't just for men, knowing these will make you unstoppable. Before we dive deep, do me a solid, drop A in the comments if you're ready to level up. Let's go. Most men think attraction's about cash, looks, or smooth talk. Dead wrong. It's about presence, the unspoken rules, the psychology hiding in plain sight. Pay attention, this doesn't just transform your dating life, it rewires how you move through the world. Her brain is wired for scent. Let's cut the BS. If you're not dialed into how you smell, you're ignoring biology's cheat code. Not cologne wars, raw science, women's olfactory bulbs. 50% more neurons than men's. Translation. She decodes your pheromones, stress, testosterone subconsciously. The fix, ditch the chemical bombs. Use one spray of woodsy or musky scent. Let her lean in to discover you, win her nose, and you've already won half the battle. Certainty beats people pleasing. Where do you want to eat? Sounds polite? It's kryptonite. Women crave men with direction, not approval seekers, especially experienced women. They've dated the yes men, they're bored by them. The fix, lead with intent. I'm hitting this new spot Thursday, join me. Your path, your rules. She either follows or fades. Silence screams louder than words, she's quiet. Most men panic or pry. Wrong move. Women, especially seasoned ones, process emotions internally. That I'm fine. It's a test. Can you hold frame without crumbling? The fix, stay grounded. Give space. Your calm is the magnet. When she feels safe in your stillness, she'll open the vault. Social proof is your invisible wingman. Walk into a room alone vs with two women laughing at your joke. Night and day, it's called pre-selection. Her brain flags you as vetted. Not about being a player, it's about being valued. The fix, build genuine connections, not followers. Respect. When women see you're trusted, you bypass her skepticism. Teasing equals secret interest. She roasts your shirt or mocks your taste in music. That's not shade, it's an invite. Women flirt through challenge. Especially older pros, they're testing your frame. The fix, fire back, playful, sharp, unfazed. Ouch, didn't realize we had a fashion critic. If she smirks, you're in. Her body talks. Listen, she won't say I'm nervous, but crossed arms. Avoided eye contact. That's her language. Miss this and you miss her. The fix, read the room, everything cool. Delivered with calm eye contact, no interrogation. Just presence. Light is her mirror, not yours. During intimacy, she's not just feeling you, she's wondering how she looks. Society's noise is loud. Your job? Shut it down. The fix. You look unreal right now. Mean it. Show her you see her, not a fantasy. Emotional depth equals physical fire. Skipping connection for action. That's amateur hour for women. The mind opens the body, period. The fix. Slow down. Tell me what you need. Not a whisper, a command. Her surrender starts in her head. Her friends aren't your competition yet if she lights up more with her squad than you. You've been outsourced. Women crave emotional resonance, not just reliability. The fix, be the man who gets her, not just provides. How'd that work thing really go? Listen like her best friend, lead like her man. Free meals aren't dates, harsh truth. Some say yes for sushi, not you. Foodie calls are real. Your wallet isn't a personality. The fix, test interest first. Let's grab coffee. No investment. No invitation. Screen hard. If one truth hit home, you belong here. Subscribe now. This is where men build unshakable presence, ready to own every room you walk into. Join the King's Council, my private community where we turn insight into action. Discipline, strategy, brotherhood. See you inside.